Right, answers to the wordy questions. Okay, number 1. So, Rosie eats 143 rolls and Betty eats 362 rolls. How many more does Betty eat? Well, you need to do a subtraction. You have to start with a bigger number and take away the smaller number. So you should be doing 362 minus 143. So, 2 take away 3, can't do. So we steal 1 from the 6 to leave 5 and bring him over here. 12 take away 3 is 9, 5 take away 4 is 1, and 3 take away 1 is 1. So your answer is 119 rolls. Right, number 2. So Ben drives 87 miles and Ed drives 193 miles. How much further does Ed drive? Again, you're doing a subtraction. You start with a bigger number and you take away the smaller number. We're finding the difference. So that's 193 take away 87. So 3 take away 7, you can't do. You're going to need to steal 1 from that 9 to leave 8. So we have 13 take away 7 is 6. 8 take away 8 is nothing. So the difference is 106 miles. He drives 106 miles further. Okay, number 3. Rafe scores 126, 83 and 2 marks in 3 tests. What's his total score? So we need to add this time. 126, 83 plus 2. Add them all up in one go. That's 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1 plus 1 is 2. He scores 211 marks altogether. Number 4. Every day Ryder eats 6 ice creams. How many ice creams will he eat in a fortnight? Well, a fortnight is 2 weeks. That's 14 days. So we need to do a multiplication. It's going to be 14 times 6. 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. So it's 84 ice creams altogether. Number 5. Oscar buys 17 toffees at 7 pence each. How much does he pay altogether? Well, again, you're doing a multiplication. It's going to be 17 times 7. So 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 119p, or a better answer would be £1.19. Number 6. What's the difference between 247 and 518? Well, again, difference means subtraction. You can start with a bigger number, that's 518, and take away 247. So 8 take away 7, we can do that, that's 1. But 1 take away 4, you can't do. You need to steal 1 from the 5 to leave 4. So we have 11 take away 4 is 7. 4 take away 2 is 2. Number 7. How many 9s in 342? Well, to see how many times something goes in, you need to divide. So we start with 342 and we need to divide by 9 to see how many times 9 goes into 342. So 9 into 3 doesn't go. 3 9s are 27. Remainder 4, 5, 6, 7. And 9 8s are 72, so it goes in 38 times. Question 8, how many 5s in 725? So, same idea, 725 divided by 5. So we see how many times 5 goes in. 5 into 7 goes once, remainder 2. 5 into 20 would be 4 times, so it's remainder 2. And 5 5s are 25, 145. Question 9. What's the total of 18, 14 and 35? Well, total means the sum. You add them up. So we've got 18 plus 14 plus 35. Add them all together. That's 12. That makes 17. 3, 4, 5, 6. 67. Question 10. What's the product of 2, 8 and 24? Well, product means multiplying. So we have to do 2 times 8 times 24. Now this is going to be a long multiplication. We can do 2 times 8, that's 16, so we need to do 16 times 24. It doesn't matter which way around you do that. I'm going to do 24 times 16. So 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12, 13, 14. Now put down a 0. Then 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, and add them up. We have 4, 8, 384. Question 11. I have £224 to share between my 7 sons. Now, to share it out, we're going to divide to see how many times 7 goes into 224. So, 224 divided by 7. 3 7s are 21, so it's remainder 1, and 2 7s are 14. They will get £32 each. Question 12. How many 4s do I need to hit in cricket to score 68? Well, again, it's divisions. How many times 4 goes into 68? So we're going to do 68 divided by 4. 4s into 6 go once, remainder 2, and 4 7s are 28. So you'll need to hit 17 4s. Question 13. How many wheels will 17 tricycles have? Well, a tricycle has 3 wheels, so we need to do 17 times 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. 51. You might have thought 51 was a prime number, but 5 plus 1 is 6. It's a multiple of 3 because it adds up to a multiple of 3. Question 14. How many legs will 12 spiders have? Well, a spider has 8 legs. Oh, I can do 8. Oh, no, I can't. 8 legs. Now, we don't need a calculation for this one. We need to do 12 times 8. And you know 12 8s are 96. So they'll have 96 legs. Question 15. How many legs will 38 insects have? Well, insects have, I can't do it, 6 legs. So we need to do 38 times 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 228 legs on 38 insects. And the last one, question 16. How many pentagons will have 135 sides altogether? Well, we need to see how many times it fits in. We need to divide. So we're going to take 135 sides and divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, that's remainder 3, and 5 7s are 35. You will need 27 pentagons. Okay, add them up, see how well you've done.